So we've decided to go ahead and look for a new place to live and move, simply because we just want a slightly bigger place for, a dedicated office slash gaming room, a dedicated living room for chillaxing, and of course a dedicated room for sleeping. So here is our new apartment. Welcome to our apartment, guys. Recently moved about 2 weeks ago, and yeah, here's the entrance. We don't have a full size like closet or anything, so we had to be creative and make up our own kind of closet slash shoe rack area right here. We have a divider right here as well, but coats, shoes, ready to go stuff. Got our I guess handmade alcohol stuff too, and keys, face mask, helmets right here. Place to sit down if you want to put your shoes on. And then right over here, I'm really proud of this mini build that I did. Finally got a place to store my skateboard, remotes, and of course, the scooter to park and all that stuff. But these are guitar holders, basically. Just mounted it and actually just did it all in one go, and I didn't have to do any sort of drywall anchoring and all that stuff, so that was great. Scooter just parks here, so that's awesome. Entrance is nice, big window, door-ish. And then come over here is our living room. So reason why we put a divider is because we want to have that kind of separation. It didn't feel like just a one big mess of a room, and we still want to have that living room kind of spatial feel. We are gonna put a frame here. My girlfriend is still thinking about what to put, so that's her stuff that she needs to decorate, I guess. But for my decoration, I put my 2 guitars here that you guys have probably never seen in any of my videos. I got my long old acoustic guitar, mounted it here. This one took a long time to mount, just because I had to do some stuff with it. But this part, oh man, I miss playing my electric guitar. It's been a while. If you guys can see right here, probably eyeing on it the whole time now, but this is our dedicated workout area-ish equipment. I recently bought a dip bar just because we don't have a balcony anymore. So you guys saw in my old video of my workout videos. I don't know if you guys watched that at all. But yeah, I decided to buy a dip bar just because we don't have a dip bar or anything to do dips outside or over here in the space. I recently bought a 70-pound dumbbell as well, because we recently got this bench right here that can be adjusted into a incline bench, and I can finally do some decent chest workout and all that stuff, and other stuff too. Put the, what do you call this again? Spin bike. Yeah, I haven't really used it. My girlfriend used it quite a bit already, but I think sometime in the winter months when it's, well, what are you laughing at? When it's cold out and I don't want to run outside, maybe I can start spinning here someday. For the TV, we used our old, kind of like a coffee table thing that you guys, been seeing in our apartment. Throw out a video somewhere here. And yeah, my girlfriend did something cool. This used to be just this wood color thing, and she put like this fake marble thing, and basically, yeah, it just creates that illusion that it's a marble, but it's not a marble actually. It's just like a wallpaper sticky thing. So she did all that. That was great. And I did some cable management here just because I did not want to have any wire clutters here. So I just used a bunch of grapher's tape, double-sided tape and all that stuff. Yeah. Oh, and we have a TV antenna out there as well, which is, just to pick up local channels, news and all that stuff, and maybe football season this coming fall or something, if that ever happens. Come to the kitchen area now. So it's a, open space kind of design. We have our 2 bar stools here that we bought from Amazon. I'm not gonna link it because there's no point. You can just go search for it yourself. But it's, we only got 2 right now. maybe adding one more or so, but we don't really have any people over. We've never actually had people over in our old apartment, so maybe not. Really nice. I think this is what, quartz countertop or something. It's not marble though, but it's really nice. This one too adds some nice accents to the house, I guess, or apartment. A bit uneven, but you know, if you don't stare at it too much, you should be fine. And we like to keep our countertop really clean, just because, you know, it's the first thing that you literally see when you enter, so just keep it nice and tidy. Right over here is our old coffee slash hot water area. I got the Nespresso, Keurig, and this hot water dispenser thing that we got, and then a couple coffees here and teas and all that stuff. My girlfriend did the same thing too for this, made it all nice with the fake marble stuff. And then over here is, we have finally our first ever automated trash can. Bit thing, you don't have to look at it right now, but yeah, pretty standard as far as fridge goes and all that stuff. You know, there's nothing much in there. So it's the dishwasher, pretty standard. Now, one thing I really miss about living at my parents' house and our old apartment is this little what do you call this, garbage disposal thing, where you just, you know, put your food there and basically grinds it up for you. I really miss that. Our old apartment didn't have that, and this one is really nice. I love it. You can finally wash dishes efficiently without spilling it. Oh, and the sink itself is just really awesome too. I love how big it is, so it's great. This one's really cool for me. I have not seen this in a long time, since I was in college, and it's really cool to see it here again. Boils the water really fast, or cooks foods really fast, just heats up really fast in general. And we got our own microwave now, finally. So that's really cool, and an actual ventilation for when we cook stuff. It actually does the ventilation stuff there, so it actually escapes instead of just circulates around the apartment. Oven is pretty standard in my opinion, so that's cool. Got a USB plug right here too for stuff. Got our camera right there, you know, just for security purposes. And I guess we got a little bookshelf stuff right here. This part is still TBD where it will be framed, but that's where it's gonna be sitting at for now. Okay, take you guys to the hallway now. We got this runner right here just for decor purposes, and the mirror that we recently bought at IKEA. There's my girlfriend right there helping me film. Thank you so much. So main reason why we moved to a new apartment is because we wanted to have a dedicated gaming room slash office room, kind of like what I've been mentioning at the beginning of the video in the old apartment. But come enter our office slash gaming room, guys, and show you guys around what we have built here. So I bought a new desk finally, after many years. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how long I've owned that desk. Actually, my mom owned that desk, but it was way back in 1999 or something. But anyways, got this new desk now, like a VESA mounting thingy right here, where I can just adjust it up and down or forward and all that stuff. We also bought this LED light, as you guys can see, this one right here, and my girlfriend has one as well. Basically set up my computer desktop here, my PC build, and if you guys haven't seen my PC build, you guys should watch it. I'll link it up here somewhere. It's just gonna pop out there and in the description, I guess, if you guys are interested. But finally I can see my build in action instead of just being on the floor collecting dusts, so that's great. Kept my old chair, of course, not really old, I bought it this year. And over here is my work laptop area. So basically Monday through Friday I just kind of scoot these mouse up and stuff like that and put these over there, headset for I interview people. And then I got a printer, mail stuff here from work, and shredder for important files that we need to shred, I guess. And then here's my girlfriend's area of work. She loves to have a lot of space this way, while I love to have a lot of space this way. So she likes it, I guess, what? Like that, wide? And I like it long. Anyways, yeah, really cute. She's still, I think, finishing up putting these acoustic foam panels here just so it doesn't echo. That actually doesn't echo that much here anymore. But yeah, really awesome. I love this chair too. It's actually pretty comfortable. Thinking I might get this one day again. I don't know, but we'll see. But anyway, she also has this LED light thing. Really great. It changes color. And this is from her work, I believe. So she doesn't actually get to keep this. I get to keep mine because, well, she bought that for me for my, was that my birthday gift? I don't remember. And then this is her work laptop, really awesome too. And then right here is where our TV used to be in our old room. So we put it here now, decided to, well, we didn't really mount it. We bought a like a floor mount. So basically this is like a glass right here and it just kind of elevates it like that. I don't know, has a, I don't know, it's just really cool concept design and stuff. And over here we got my Xbox One X, couple of games right here, and this is where we keep, I guess this, well, this is her Beats. This is my headset for when I game. It's still under kind of a construction as far as wire management goes, but I'm gonna try to at least, you know, get this tidy up and stuff like that. Got my Destiny thing right here too. Speakers right here, so that's awesome. So yeah, that's the tour of our den slash office slash gaming room, and take you guys to the next room now, which is the bathroom. All right, so for the bathroom, it's pretty standard in my opinion, but you know, finally great to have more counter space because our old apartment didn't really have this. So really nice to have this kind of spot right here to just do my stuff or her stuff, and you know, we do other stuff here, so it's great. I love these lights, kind of shows our imperfections though, but hey, we're all humans, right? I guess pretty standard shower. Actually, I'll show you guys a B-roll right now. I just took a shower, so it's wet, but yeah, just pretty standard shower. Nice shower head and all that stuff. Standard toilet too. The only thing that I really like about this bathroom, because it just looks like any other bathrooms out there, except a lot nicer, I guess, is the full-on washer dryer, or washer dryer. We are currently washing stuff right now, but yeah, really great. We don't have to have our own like separate laundry, stuff like that, to store our stuff, and we can just wash all our stuff here in one go. So this acts like our laundry room slash, you know, washing thing too. I don't really know what to call it, but yeah, really awesome. Just put a detergent there, start it, all that stuff, and yeah. So we only have like our bedroom that's left, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick what's in this part of the room. I didn't take any B-roll or anything just because it's still a mess here, but this is just like our own, like, you know, pantry slash storage room. We got a bunch of our sanitizing stuff right here, a bunch of hand sanitizers finally, wipes, toilet papers, all that stuff. And then we still gotta organize this vacuum and mop, and I think my girlfriend's planning to buy some sort of a mounter somewhere and just mount it all. We don't need to see a lot of these stuff here. There's the mirror again. Hello. All right, so we are now gonna enter our final part of the apartment tour, which is of course our bedroom. So finally we have a pretty decent sized bedroom. Since it's the summer months right now, we are currently using a comforter that is made for the summer months. It's actually really thin, but still, you know, acts like a comforter, not just like some blanket out there. So first take you guys right here. Got my samurai sword, got it from my dad, but got the closet right here. So one thing about the closet is it's really small, so we had to downsize, not really downsize too much, but just gotta be more aware of our space, where we store our stuff. So this half is mine and the other half is my girlfriend's, and she also has her dresser right there, so that's awesome. I just have a lot of clothes though, so what we actually decided, not just clothes but coats, is we actually have these, so we decided to raise our bed up, and we bought these risers from Amazon. I'm not gonna link it because I'm not affiliated or anything, but yeah, we got these storage stuff right here where we can just store our, you know, crap, or not really crap, but stuff and clothes. So this is mine, hers is like in the other side. So you guys can see we also have this, you know, rug thing for the floor. Just have nice, I don't know, nice softness, texture to it. And yeah, this is my side of the bed, by the way. I don't have lamps or anything, just because we really only need one lamp. But I got my, you know, Alexa there, as well as a watch and all that stuff, plugging in crap. And for her side of the bed, she has her headphones, her wireless chargers, and of course the smart light right here that it responds to Alexa, basically. And then come to this side of the room is where my dresser is for my clothes. I'm not gonna show you guys my clothes, but you know, I actually got this recently. Well, not recently, but I bought this at IKEA. I think it's like mom dress or whatever. But anyways, it took me about like 6 hours, I think, to build it. It was just tedious, but overall it's worth it. I love it, and it stores majority of the clothes that I wear. And come to this side right here is our shoes that I guess you know, we don't really wear at the moment. So what we're planning to do is, you know, just swap out the stuff as the season kind of goes, and you know, whatever shoes we want to wear for like fall, winter stuff, we just swap it out and swap it back to the entrance area. And then over here is like my vlogging stuff, camera, and these are the clothes that I, you know, wear for like maybe 30 minutes or 45 minutes or maybe half of the day. I don't wash my clothes that often, just because it deteriorates the material, the feel, and all that stuff. My girlfriend thinks it's gross, I guess. You guys probably think it's gross too, but hey, that's just me, man. You know, still has that laziness, I guess, minimalist thing to it. But anyways, yeah, that's all for now. Oh, and these stuff right here is just like, you know, once I'm ready to head out and stuff, got my wallet, face mask too, hand sanitizer, AirPods for whateverness, and yeah, water. I guess this room too is still a bit incomplete just because we don't have frames here yet, but we are planning to put something for this part of the apartment. Oh, and I guess one thing that's really cool about this apartment too is the big windows. So yeah, really big window right here. We only have like the view of the alleyway, but it's really quiet though, so, and just lets in some good air. So yeah, that is all.